maybe a word on Robbie's and Elric's contribution, and also at the same time for them to come in. Pilo and Joandre had to miss out. So just maybe, how did you handle that?
Yeah.
How did you break it to them?
Yeah. No, I mean, obviously, you know, I think it's great for them to have a taste of the All Blacks and feel that on the field. They now can take that knowledge back to the box. You know, so I feel that when they were available, it's great for us as a team, but also it's our obligation to serve SA Rugby, you know, to make sure they get that extra game time if they can. And the credit to Grobbies and to Elrich, I think they both made a difference in that second half. And if you look at just at Grobbies, if you had to put a pin on him and follow him, the work rate that he got through, you know, so, and the meters he covered. So and again, you know, they had one training, but they made the effort to get all the knowledge and get everything done. Although we went in, like Marcel will know, with a very basic plan that we just wanted to say if we can keep, you know, to that plan and see where it will take us, even if there's mistakes. And that's the great thing. We actually were better in that in the second half than the first half, where we were fresh. But yeah, so credit to them. They really did well. And yeah, it was. There was no easy way around it, you know. I just shared that with the players on Friday morning, as honest as I can, that, you know, the tough thing is 2 players must miss out. But, you know, there was no easy way, because you know, you want to help the Springbok guys to have a shot to get into the test site, but you also feel for the guys who's missing out.